Good evening, class. Tonight we're going to be talking about rate, capacity per time. First, I want to know, if I can fill 25 gallons in a minute, how many gallons can I fill in 5 minutes? So if we know 25 gallons is every minute, then what we can do is times that by 5, which will give us 5 minutes, but we need to do the same to the other side like before. So 25 times 5, well, we know 25 times 4 is 100, add another 25, and that gives us 125. So I can fill 125 gallons in 5 minutes. For our second question, if I can fill 25 gallons in 1 minute, then we can also find out what 1 gallon can equal, because I want to know how many I could fill for 100 gallons. So 25 gallons equals 1 minute. If we divide each side by 25, that will give us 1 gallon, but it gives us 1/25 of a minute. So we want to know 100 gallons. So we need to multiply each side by 100, which will give us 100 gallons, but it also gives us this equation, 100 times 1/25, which we also know this 100 can be 100 over 1, because 100 divided by 1 is still 100. So then we multiply. 100 times 1 gives us 100, and 1 times 25 gives us 25. And then our equation is 100 divided by 25. Well, we know 25 goes into 100 4 times. So we can fill 100 gallons in 4 minutes. Another question. If we can fill 45 buckets in 1 minute, then we can figure out how long it takes to fill 1 bucket, and we can figure out what we need later. So, to figure out 1 bucket, we need to divide each side by 45. That will give us 1 bucket, but it also will give us 1/45 of a minute. Now, we want to know how long it takes for 135 buckets. So, to get to 135, we multiply each side by 135. So, then it becomes then we get this equation. So again, we have 135 times 1/45 of a minute. So we also know that 135 equals 135 over 1. So then all we have to do is multiply. 135 times 1 equals 135. 1 times 45 equals 45. So then we're left with 135 divided by 45. gives us 15, 12, 13, goes in exact. So our answer is 3. We can fill 135 buckets in 3 minutes. For your homework, I want to know if I can fill 50 bottles in 1 minute, and I gave you 1 bottle equals 1/50th of a minute, I want to know how long it takes to fill 150 bottles. Now remember, to get from 50 bottles in 1 minute to 1 bottle, we divided each side by 50. Now, to get from 1 bottle to 150 bottles, we multiplied that by 150. So post your answer to Edmodo, and if any questions occur, just let me know. Thank you and have a good night.